should hire Craftsman's Choice as a window contractor because we do things as they're intended. No matter what window we put in, we choose to put in Marvin windows, but we follow the manufacturer's specifications down to a T. And it's very important that we do that so that any manufacturer's warranties are in place. And the finishing details are another way that Craftsman's Choice sets itself apart. The way that we put the casing on when the window is installed, the caulking on the exterior, recommending different types of trim on the exterior and the interior, the way we treat your home when we're there. You know, when you do a window project, we're in your business. We're in each one of your rooms that the windows are being replaced, and so we need to make sure that we're treating your property as it needs to be.